In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable Grid View tutorial, how to use Grid View in Airtable. Let's start by opening a base and heading into any table you want to work with. When a table opens, you'll almost always land in Grid View by default. This is the familiar spreadsheet-style layout with rows for records and columns for fields. If you don't see it, look to the view switcher and choose the option labeled Grid. Think of this view as your command center for organizing, scanning, and updating information quickly. Next, let's bring order to your data with sorting and filtering. To sort, hover over a column header and click it. You'll see options to sort A to Z or Z to A. This works for text, numbers, and dates, so you can, for example, sort a due date from earliest to latest, or alphabetize a list of clients. If you want to refine the list further, click the Filter button at the top. Add a condition, like status is in progress, and Airtable will instantly show only the records that match. Filters are non-destructive, so nothing is deleted, you're just narrowing the view. If you change your mind, remove the condition or turn off the filter to see everything again. Once your results are focused, grouping can make patterns jump out. Click Group and choose a field, such as Project or Status. Airtable will segment your records into tidy sections based on that field's values. Each group can be expanded or collapsed, letting you zoom into what matters and hide the rest. This is especially helpful for daily stand-ups, pipeline reviews, or progress checks because you get a clean snapshot by category. If you need breathing room on a busy table, collapse groups you don't need right now and expand them when you're ready. Finally, streamline your view by hiding or showing columns. Click Hide Fields and select the columns you don't need at the moment. This is perfect when you're sharing the screen or focusing on a single task because it removes distractions and makes the grid easier to read. Hidden fields aren't gone, they're just hidden in this view, so you can bring them back anytime by returning to Hide Fields and reselecting them. That's the core of working efficiently in Airtable's Grid View. Open your table, sort and filter to focus, group to find structure, and hide fields to keep things clean. Practice these moves a few times, and your tables will feel faster, clearer, and much easier to manage.